So today I met up with Luciano and his Ducati Monster, which he totally did a great job restoring. He did so much work on this bike, and I really give him my hats off to him to get it running. It's running really good now. It's been dead reliable the last 4 or 5 rides we went on. And it's for anybody that has never restored a bike from the very beginning, it's a lot of work. Congratulations, Luciano. We ran into a couple little roadblocks today, didn't spoil the fun. Well, today is supposed to get really hot by lunchtime, and the whole objective of everything here is get out on the open road early before it gets too hot. We're so sick of it being hot. But it is nice and cool now. In a couple hours, it won't be. And step one, as always, is to turn into a parking lot attendant, move some of the bikes around, feed the fish, have the coffee, make sure Karen's got all her mix masters out for her cooking chores, and get out on the open road. It should be a really nice day. The life of a parking lot attendant, so much fun, but it does look like it's going to be a nice day. Let's hope that doesn't change. Never want to head out on a ride without having a bike as bug-free as I possibly can make it. My friends are very critical. They point out every little scratch, every little dent. It's unbelievable. And you don't forget to feed the birds or your bike won't start in the morning. How many tomatoes? What are you going to make? Tomato sauce today?
No, I made enough tomato sauce. I'm making roasted tomato soup.
Roasted tomato soup today while I'm out riding. How great. There we are ready to hit the open road. Final check of the weather. It's nice and cool this morning, but probably get hot. We're going to go meet Luciano up by Choppers. Oh, the sound of the cross-plane triple. Ready to go. You look like a homeless guy that you're living on a railroad track.
To be in the back there, I must end up tracking my.
So this guy's behaving now. You got him running good. So far, anyway. The day's not over. The day's not over. How many miles? 20,000.
Very sensitive.
Yeah, you better be nice to the Ducati. One leaks, one has a flat tire, one has a broken mirror. You got one of everything, baby. Holy mackerel. Yeah,
well, that's good, yeah.
Yeah, it's a nice bike. Nice and comfortable bike, too.
Yeah.
No, you could take a ride on this. And the one Lauren had was beautiful.
Yeah.
That sounded great, too. You got quiet mufflers, but I don't know what kind of mufflers she had on that.
I got a aftermarket exhaust. It came with the bike and I never use it.
This is a real Ducati muffler. Oh, yeah, it says Ducati on it. No wonder it's quiet. Nice and quiet.
Oh, I still got a zip drive on Bob.
Hey, you should charge him extra for that. Yeah, every one of these old bikes is an adventure, that's for sure. Looks like it's going to be a nice day, too.
Yeah. Use it
and it leaks.
Liner when it's rusty.
Yeah. I know. Well, look. Hey.
I'm going to do just the bottom. Over here.
Yeah, and you still have that, you use that thing to bleed the brakes backwards? That gun?
The Mighty Walk.
Mighty,
Sometimes
that looks like a thing to give somebody an enema.
I use a little
Now, because of that Renaissance Fair, we can't really ride up 106 unless you could go to the circle, turn around and go down 106 and turn around before the fair if you want.
Yeah, that's okay.
Or go the other way. We'll go the other way today. So we decided to take 106 from the Tirati Circle backwards. This would be normally the backward part of it. And it turned out to be a nice ride, and actually even better than I thought it would be to avoid that traffic. So this part of the ride here in Fast Forward is the northern extension of 106, and then we hit the road closed area, so we took a little different direction. Now, this is not the direction we normally ride this. We normally ride the in reverse here, so Luciano was being a little bit cautious because we're not totally familiar with the road. And you can see early in the morning like this, the shadows are everywhere, the sun is in your eyes, and it can get tricky. You might notice right here, I put this on freeze frame. That's a state cop. And I'm not sure Luciano was going riding too aggressively here, but guy never even gave us a blink, didn't even have radar on, so no matter what, we escaped. a nice looked like a nicely restored pickup. It caught my eye as I passed them. And we came up upon a bunch of motorcyclists that were going a little bit slower, so we had to pass them too. So many times on the downhill side of this is 9W, or on the downhill just before the Bear Mountain Bridge, they hide on the side of the road and shoot radar. We've seen it many times, so from this point in the ride on, we take it easy. So I hope you did enjoy the video. We had quite a nice day, a day I'll remember for a long time. Always a lot of fun. The MT-09 never disappoints. I really do like the bike. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Grammy's birthday party. Oh, everybody's in such high velour here.
Okay, get in the picture, Grandpa. Come on, Grandpa.
Off. I want to see the cake.
You didn't say you were never going to take this
Take
long.
the lid off. This
What?
is Grammy's cake.
You never said you were going to take this long.
Oh, it says Happy Birthday Grammy on it.
Happy birthday, Grammy.
What do you
Wow. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grammy. Happy birthday to you. Blow it out. Whoa! We had a really nice family birthday party for Karen, and needless to say, we had a great ride today with Luciano. I don't know if life gets a lot better. It was pretty good today. So if you're new to the channel, we do try to post up a new video every day of the activities we have in the world of motorcycling. A few minutes of family stuff and friendship stuff, and I don't know what else. Life seems to throw curveballs at us all the time. Sometimes we catch them, sometimes we drop them. But we always manage to have a lot of fun. Fun is the name of the game. And sharing some good quality information about motorcycles and maybe life itself is part of the video too. And again, if you're new to the channel, I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. And hopefully we'll see you tomorrow.